you are happy and you are. So in today's video, Christmas house decoration ideas. In traditional style, nothing says Christmas like a beautiful bath on your door made with love, lights, and a little holiday magic. Hairpins, berries, ribbon, or even tiny ornaments for that perfect festive touch, simple, warm, and full of Christmas. Your bath will welcome joy homes this season. Use elegant this Christmas, simple elegance, a classic bath made with fresh pins with berries and golden ribbon, stylish and full of warmth, because sometimes the beauty of Christmas lies in its simplest, fun and family craft style. Gather your family, it's worth making time, cut glue and decorate with ribbons, bells and lights. Every part could become a memories, handmade, heartfelt and full of joy. This Christmas, make your decoration as special as your moments and viewers. Bring the beauty of nature to your Christmas decoration. Use dry orange and for a rustic nature bath. It's simple like Christmas and look like magical, stylish and charming. True holiday masterpiece and viewers. Spark to your season, get you a Christmas bath with golden ribbon, shining ornaments, and your fairy lights. Hang it on your door or above the fireplace and let your home glow with festive charm, because Christmas deserves a touch of spark and joy. And viewers, modern what? Viewers, Allah Hafiz, thanks for watching.